First, we need to locate the screen recorder, which can be found by going to Quick Settings. So on the right side of the phone, swipe from the top towards the bottom like this, and then you can unfold this panel in order to find screen recorder. It should be somewhere over here. If not, then you can press this pen icon in the top right corner and press edit in order to find the screen recorder in available buttons. You can tap on it in order to add it to the list and then press done in the top right corner twice. So now we can press screen recorder. Over here we can choose what sounds we want to use in the video. So of course you can turn off the sound completely. You can choose media, so everything that will be played from the phone, as well as media and mic, so the microphone is also included. You can also show taps and touches that you perform while recording a video. And now here we can press start recording. Of course we have the countdown, we can skip it, and you should see the tool for recording, which is quite helpful sometimes. You can press on the pen in order to, for example, draw something on the screen. Of course you can revert that as well. You can enable and disable the selfie camera. You can pause the recording and completely stop by using the square button. And that is all. Of course, these video recordings can be found, for example, in the gallery. Check this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.